Video 847 BFJ 147. Let's get into the code. So in the system index, we have added a new system. It's called alt keys. Actually, I lied. KEYALT. So we're going to make a system dedicated to different keys that only activate something if the alt key is also pressed. So it's going to be a lot like Konamic, but all you got to do is alt and then A through Z or 0 through 9. Okay, in const macros by system, we have the KEYALT constants here. We have some monkey wrench macros for some misspellings of two of the identifiers further down. And here is our list of different enumeration procedures for different things we would like to do in the KEYALT system. We have a do nothing enumeration. We have changing to game mode. We have changing to editor mode, right? So mode, game, and mode editor. Okay, let's go down to the next section. In data by system, we have changed how we delineate the Konamic section. We kind of cleaned this up a bit. All we did was clean up the beginning of the Konamic section and draw this marker like this. And then when we scroll down to the end of the Konamic section, you'll notice that we kind of cleaned this up as well, and we're kind of cleanly delineating the end of the Konamic section. The KEYALT system is directly beneath Konamic, so hence Konamic and then KEYALT right here. And this is the mutable data for KEYALT, or mutable data or lookup tables, right? Anything that cannot be a simple constant and its data goes into this section. So we have a alias for the do nothing enumeration, and then we have a lookup table, D KEYALT lookup table A through Z, a uint8 array. So these are the different enumeration procedures that are going to be associated with the keys A through Z. We can see a whole bunch of unused slots, and we see that E is going to be for changing to editor mode, G is for switching to game mode, and then everything else is blank in here. Okay, going down to the next section. We have stubbed in the KEYALT function section here, and it's going to take an input event. What kind of event? A keyboard event. And we're going to do more logic in another video. We are out of fucking time. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm making a game engine from complete scratch, open sourcing it, documenting every single line.